If you have got any ideas or suggestions for dApp developers to look more into Web3js and leverage that in their project.
So that really depends. I will say, to be honest, something that I'm really excited and I'm promoting personally is these plugins, but not to use them, actually to build them. Because it's really easy to build. In ETCC, I have we can also share that, a workshop. I share how you can build a plugin and then how you can publish this as an NPM package. And this is really exciting because you can create a plugin for any project. If you are interacting in any DEX like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or whatever, you can create a plugin only for interacting with that project. So you can just choose a project that you really like a lot, you can create a plugin, and now you are delivering like SDK and dev tooling for developers to interact with that plugin. So if I were a developer, that I will do, because I'm just creating tools for the ecosystem, and then if people are using my tool, I will be really proud of that, right? And yeah, then I think I will say like creating a plugin will be the way to go to create like a great impact in the ecosystem.